Hello hopefuls, thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. So this is the second stock up, and I had to put the groceries over here because I still have to straighten out my pantry, and I'm always end up tired at the end of the day. I did go into Aldi to look for the shelves, but they do not have any utility shelves. I guess, I don't know, my husband said he saw them, and I wish I saw them when he saw them, because I would have got them that day, but they are all gone, and I need it for my stockpile. So anyway, I just have to probably put the canned goods on the floor, or either go on Amazon, which I think he purchased some for the garage before. But anyway y'all, so this haul is frozen and meats and some other stuff. It was only $2.09, so I was a little worried when I kept putting like something that was $5 and $6 into my cart. Some things I still need a quantity of maybe 3 or 4, but I only got like a quantity of 2. But still, it's stocking up, and it's going to help out in the long run. Okay, so starting over here, I have some mixed vegetables. I got 2 bags. They didn't have any frozen broccoli, but I can get it at Walmart too because it's $1. A lot of Walmart's frozen vegetables are $1 too. I got, and again, I'll put this on the blog. It may be later, maybe Thursday or Friday of next week. So today is Saturday, March the 7th. Okay, y'all, with the prices. So the pork tenderloin, I picked up the Italian, and these are like between $4 and $5. So it was like $4.33. They also have peppercorn, and I think I got all of them except peppercorn. I don't know if they have original or not. I got the lemon garlic, and I got the teriyaki. So they vary in size based off of price based off the weight. And then I saw a YouTuber talk about these pizzas. I can't remember who it was a while back. And I was just looking in the freezer case, and I was like, oh, those are the pieces they were talking about. So I have one in the oven now, and I got a total of 3 of them. They were $5.89. Yeah, I hated to get that many. But for my family, yeah, we need about at least 3. And everybody's here. Okay, because Trail's on spring break. I got some fresh ground turkey. And then I got some bun-length wieners. I do love Walmart's, or like Walmart's ham that they have pre-cut. I don't think they have it in my other Walmart, but the one closest to me they do. And it is so good. So I have to go in there to get that, and the Pepperidge Farm sausage, the smoked sausage. The kielbasa is probably good too. The turkey, that is just, I love that. And it seemed like it was something else at Walmart only. Okay, I got some cooked shrimp. I got 2 bags of this. I got 2 bags of the nuggets. I may have needed another one, but that's all they had today. I got some steam cut green beans. I don't know why I got 2, y'all. But again, I can get some more frozen at Walmart because I had to move it out the way. Oh, that's why. I had to move it all the way out the way. And it wasn't but a couple left in that box. Okay, I got some steamed Brussels sprouts. I wanted some fresh, but they didn't have any today. And then I got some sharp New York cheese. I got some Irish butter. They don't carry Kerrygold anymore. This is their dupe, not dupe, or it may be Kerrygold just in a different packaging. You know how they do that with not the name brand stuff. So this is $1.99, and I've been wanting to get it, so I went ahead and got it today. And then I'll probably put one of them in the freezer. I got the regular butter, which is $2.29. I wanted to try the cheddar stuffed jalapenos, and I think I was just thinking about those jalapenos when we went to, I can't remember where we went, y'all. And I was like, I know they're good. I don't remember if it was, I think it was Buffalo Wild Wings we went the other day, and I wanted to try it. I got a 2-pound bag of the tilapia. They didn't have any whitening, so that was the other thing they didn't have. And then I got 2 things of the larger fresh ground turkey, the 85% lean. 2 of those. And then I got some drumsticks. I was looking for the chicken breast with the rib in it, but they did not have that. I should have got, and I didn't get any wings, so I should have got that. My mom said she picked this up the other day and she really likes it. So I wanted to go ahead and try it. You don't get very many slices, but she said one slice is plenty. You know, hearty or something she said is enough. So if you get 2 slices, you should be fine. So this was like $2.29, I believe, y'all. So I want to try this. Okay, y'all, I got some mini cucumbers. I've been making my cucumber salad out of this, and I got some baby carrots. I got 2 things of the chopped spinach. I got some balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Oh, I thought my horn, that's the TV, was blowing. Okay, I got some apple cider vinegar. And then I got some cranberry juice, 100%. I think they have cocktail too, but I got the 100%. And then I got some of this Sleep 100% essential oil spray. And I hope everybody haven't been spraying them. There wasn't but a couple of them left. So I was hoping that people didn't spray it. But anyway, they had lavender too. They had eucalyptus. And I can't think of the other one. But I figured I could like spray my pillow or lightly spray my bed before I go to bed or something. Because sometimes I'm like a little restless at night. And then sometimes I'm exhausted. Okay, I got the vanilla salted caramel. Mama got my attention with these. We went together. And this one smells really good. She got the lemon, which was the very last one. But it smelled really good. And then they had a lilac. And they also had the honeysuckle. I think those were the only ones they had. So I picked up these. They were like $3.99, I believe, y'all. Okay, here's the other cooked shrimp. I got 2 bags of the chicken tenderloin. I probably should have got 3. I got the fresh chicken boneless tenderloin. And then I got the center cut pork chops. And then some of my Instacart customers have gotten this. And I wanted to try it. And it's the snacking cheese, which is the Gouda and the habanero. And I didn't know which one, so I said I'll try both. I got some pork sausage. And then I got 2 things of the 100% grass-fed ground beef. And then I got 2 things of the chicken breast frozen. And then I have seen people pick these up, but Mama, she saw them and she was like, I seen other YouTubers pick this up and I wanted to try it. So usually when Mama says she want to try it, I want to try it too, or vice versa. So I did pick these up, the chocolate chip dunkers and the lemon dunkers, and I can't wait to put them on my bar. Because I move my stuff around in my little breakfast nook and I like it, y'all. I'll show you guys after the video, and I'm gonna probably do a video on it. I got some 80/20. I picked up some the other day, so I only got 1, and I got 2 of the hot sausage because I made this with spaghetti. I do have a couponing Dollar General haul to share with you guys. Yeah, today it's, let's see, what time is it? 7:51. So we went kind of late today, but next time I'm going to try to go to Dollar General earlier in the morning so I have time to edit the video. And if you guys want to run out and go to Dollar General and do a digital deal or whatever, you can. So, yeah. So I'm going to share it anyway. But they have like 5 off of 25 on Saturdays. So, I thought I would feel like going back out and doing another one. But I'm not. So when I went to Dollar General, I'm just show you guys because I was going to go there and show you all. They had so much home decor, which I'll do a separate haul on. And my local one, I mean, this one's right down the road, but the other one's closer. I knew the one down the road that had like the cute Christmas stuff that I hauled like years ago. They are on time putting their stuff out. So anyway, I went there to coupon and I knew they have their decor out. And this little cute jar, I can put those little Dunkin' sticks and put them on my bar. And let me show you what I did. So the table was a mess like it always is. So remember I had my little what is this, my little island from Big Lots. So right now I was kind of tired of it being in the middle of the kitchen, so I moved it over there. This was here, and Jason's gonna take this upstairs when he's off. I have to take everything out. Yep. Tomo. And then I really haven't had, I had some bar stools here one time, long time ago, but you know, bar stools can add up, and you know, and I have a long counter, but I don't have to have that many down the counter. And then I don't know if the boys will sit there. They may sit there, I'm not sure. But anyway, I love that this is nothing there. Absolutely love that. You can go ahead, babe. And then back there in the bag. But anyway, I do a separate video. I was just like messing around, trying to make it like more spring-like. And I just like it over here. I just love it. I don't know what in the world. But I just love it. So I'm going to put like, Mama got her a little coffee sign from Kirkland's. And so I might go back and get that sign. But anyway, y'all, let me let y'all go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.